Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about common name reactions in organic chemistry. Preparation of chloro and bromobenzene can be done either with Sandmeyer's reaction or Gatman reaction. But first we have to prepare diazonium salt. This can be done by treating aniline with sodium nitrite and HCl at 273 Kelvin. In Sandmeyer's reaction, use cuprous halide and HX with diazonium salt. Now, benzonitrile can also be prepared by Sandmeyer's reaction. For this, use benzene diazonium chloride with cuprous cyanide and potassium cyanide. In Gatman reaction, benzene diazonium chloride is treated with copper and HX. Chloro and bromobenzene can be prepared. To prepare alkyl fluorides, use Schwartz reaction. Chloro or bromoalkanes are treated with fluorides of silver or antimony or cobalt or mercury. To prepare alkyl iodides, use Finkelstein's reaction. In this, chloro or bromoalkanes are treated with sodium iodide in dry acetone. Silver halide, being insoluble, forms a precipitate and is easily removed. So pure iodides can be prepared. To prepare higher alkanes, Wood's reaction is used. In Wood's reaction, alkyl halide is treated with sodium in dry ether. Alkane formed will have double the number of carbon atoms compared to the alkyl halide. Remember, alkane with only even number of carbon atoms can be formed. In Fittig reaction, diphenyls can be prepared. Halobenzene is treated with sodium in dry ether. Wood's Fittig reaction, we use alkyl halide and aryl halide with sodium in dry ether. Higher aryl compounds can be formed. An important name reaction of phenol is Kolb's reaction. Sodium phenoxide is treated with carbon dioxide and the product acidified. Salicylic acid is formed. In Raymer-Tayman reaction, phenol is treated with sodium hydroxide and chloroform. The product formed is acidified to obtain salicyl aldehyde. Para-isomer is also formed. Alcohols can be prepared from alkanes by hydroboration oxidation reaction. Alkane is treated with diborane and hydrogen peroxide in presence of alkali. Anti-Markovnikov's rule is obeyed and the OH group goes to the more hydrogenated carbon atom. Ethers can be prepared by Williamson synthesis. A simple ether can be prepared by using alkyl halide and sodium alkoxide. To prepare mixed ethers, the sodium alkoxide of secondary or tertiary alkyl group is treated with a primary alkyl halide. This is because secondary and tertiary alkyl halides undergo elimination forming alkenes because alkoxide is a strong base. Now, if the mixed ether contains an aryl group, use sodium phenoxide with alkyl halide. This is because aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution. An important name reaction is Roseman's reaction. Acid chloride is treated with hydrogen in presence of palladium and barium sulfate. Now, barium sulfate acts as a poison and prevents the reduction of aldehyde to alcohol. In Stephan reaction, nitriles are reduced using stannous chloride and HCl. The imine formed is hydrolyzed. Itart's reaction is used for the preparation of benzaldehyde. The starting material is toluene. It is first oxidized to a non-oxidizable chromium complex using chromyl chloride. Now, this is done to prevent the oxidation of aldehyde to acid. The intermediate is then hydrolyzed to obtain benzaldehyde. In Gattermann-Koch reaction, benzene or its derivatives is treated with carbon monoxide and HCl. In presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride or cuprous chloride, a CHO group can be introduced on the benzene ring. Aromatic ketones can be prepared using Friedel-Crafts reaction. Benzene or its derivatives is treated with acid chloride or acid anhydride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. To convert C-double bond O group to CH2, there are two reactions. In Clemenson's reduction, treat aldehyde or ketones with amalgamated zinc and concentrated HCl. In Wolff-Kishner reduction, the reagents are hydrazine and KOH in ethylene glycol. Bolt-Schiemann reaction is for the preparation of aromatic fluorides. Benzene diazonium chloride is treated with fluoroboric acid and the product is heated. Carbylamine involves treating primary amines with chloroform and alcoholic KOH. An offensive smell of isocyanide is formed. Remember, this is used as a test for primary amines. Hell-Volhard-Zelensky. This reaction is used for substituting alpha hydrogen atom of carboxylic acid by halogen. The reagent is chlorine or bromine in presence of red phosphorus. The product is then hydrolyzed. An important reaction of aldehydes and ketones is aldol condensation. Now, only aldehydes and ketones having alpha hydrogen atom undergoes this reaction. Treat with dilute alkali. Beta hydroxyaldehyde or ketone is formed. On heating, water is lost to form unsaturated aldehyde or ketone. C-double bond O is electron withdrawing, making alpha hydrogen atom acidic. Aldehydes which do not have alpha hydrogen atom undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. The reagent is concentrated alkali. the aldehyde undergoes disproportionation. That is, one molecule of aldehyde is reduced to an alcohol, while another molecule of aldehyde is oxidized to salt of the acid. Remember, both alcohol and the acid has the same number of carbon atoms as the aldehyde. Hofmann's bromamide reaction involves treating amide with bromine and aqueous or alcoholic alkali. A primary amine with one carbon atom less is formed. This reaction is used for reducing the number of carbon atoms and is useful in conversions. In Gabriel-Thalamide reaction, thalamide is treated with alcoholic KOH. The potassium salt of the thalamide is then treated with alkyl halide followed by alkaline hydrolysis. Pure primary amine is formed. Remember, aniline cannot be prepared by this method as C6H5X does not undergo nucleophilic substitution. Hope this video has been useful to understand name reactions. Thank you.